Go mga boss. Tayo ngayon ay nandito sa bundok sa Nagkerlan. Tayo naman ay nakarga ngayon ng kamote. Kasama ko si Boy Negro. Wala si boss, ito nga po si Boy Negro. Kargang tagpin sa akong kamote.
Doesn't matter if they're blue, green, brown, they flash like fire.
Tawag mo siya dito na hirap nila dito.
Colors of the earth, colors of the earth. Take your flag and stick it where you like. I'm reaching higher. Oh darling, and if you think the planet's grip can hold me back, I am a rocket. There's no way you can stop me if you try. I never felt so free as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Say your au revoir, baby. I was made for the stars. Listen to my voice, listen to my voice. Coming at you like a lion's roar. I won't go quietly. Take a picture now, take a picture now. Go on! What the hell about me? Don't lose sight. I'm high society.
Papalaman ko ba kayo?
Oh honey, if you believe in gravity, just watch and learn. I am a rocket. There's no way you could stop me if you tried. I never felt so free as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Let's see you au revoir, baby. I was made for the stars.
Boy Negro, kahit sa
Seven, six, five, three, one, blast off. There's no way you can stop me if you tried. I never felt so free like I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Say your au revoir. I was made for the stars. We're shining bright. Look out, I'm dynamite. Say your au revoir. Mom, I was made for the
Boy, talaga naman.
stars.
Ayan o. Yan, ang daan niya. Hindi na lalim. Patuloy ang ilalim niyan eh. Yan. Kasi yan, patuloy na uli siya. Ganyan lang. Yun lang dadaan na mahirap-hirap. Tapos dito, may mahaba-habang paltakan. Kaso kaya-kaya naman ni Boy Negro yun. Ito sa parteng to, merong naging paltakan. Kasi dito nadadala yung mga lupang naanod. Kaya yung patuloy naging paltakan. Ayan. Ayan mga boss. So, ayan o. Yan lang. Yan lang ang paltakan niya. Gandang lakaran yan. Patuloy ang ilalim. Ayan si Boy Negro. Okay, Boy Negro, lakad. Inuulan na tayo. Huwag mo na amuyin. Hanggang dito na lang mga boss. At mababasahan ang cellphone ko.